Good morning, Judy here from Thistledew Creations. Today I have another haul from junk my sister brought me. Whenever she comes to visit these days, she's bringing me a little bag of goodies. And so last Friday, my sister and my niece came and we did it was pouring down rain on that day. And we sat out on my porch and painted for the day. And it was very fun. Anyway, they both handed me a bag when they came in. So I'm going to start with the brown paper bag. This one, I think, was handed to me by my sister. I can't remember. It doesn't matter. So she's got love to read paper pad, like a teacher's pad of some sort. So I guess you would write your headings up in here. Some sort of a graph that she would keep track of things. So that's interesting to include in books. She's always bringing me these. I don't know if she's finding them tucked into drawers as she's cleaning up her craft room or what she's doing, but she must pick them up with me in mind, or she finds them at sales. I don't think she's just going out and buying them. I think she's either getting them super cheap at a yard sale or she's finding them when she's cleaning up. So I'll use those for sure in my swaps, etc. And then some clear plastic bags. Oh no, they're not bags. They're just clear plastic, like liners. These might be from my niece. She works at a deli. So these might be from the deli, obviously unused. But I can use that for sure. It's kind of got, it's translucent, but it does have a little bit of a opacity to it. So those are kind of cool. I had some brown parchment paper from her last time. Yeah, this must be from Kim because that's her dog's name. So a paper bag with some paw prints on it. And there's a couple of those. So these are a nice little size to make a little journal with. And then we call a duotang, the plastic one, my favorite color. She knows that. And then another package of these, padded envelopes. So that's 12 envelopes. I can do 12 swaps. And then this is a little container of beads that I gave her a long time ago, and she must have been cleaning out and giving those back to me to use, which is interesting because today I have to put together a bead swap with a friend on one of my Facebook sites. So I'll just pass those right along. And then of course the bag that it came in is a good thing for me to reuse. It's just a plain brown paper shopping bag. So I'll get those all put away in my craft room. That's half the battle, is getting things put away. That's how your craft room gets so messy in my world. So first thing in the colorful bag that my sister handed me was some color symbol kits. So let's see what this is. We've got some blue rectangles, and dots and stars and triangles. My sister is a teacher's assistant, so she has things like this. And these are really glossy and thick stickers. So we got some long strips, some short strips, some wide strips, all the different shapes. I don't know if you can see that very well. You can see the ones that are missing. And so just like primary colors, looks like there used to be yellow ones, but they're gone. That's okay. Yellow's my least favorite. I know it's sometimes very useful to use, but I don't tend to use it very much. So those will go with my general stickers. I may use the container for something else. And then let's see what we've got here. So these are little party boxes, treat boxes, blue polka dots that you just pop up and put together. And I can use those to create little pockets. Just a coin envelope or a money envelope from the bank. Oh, there's some pink boxes. So these ones are open, so I'll show you what they're like. You just unfold them. And then it sort of interlocks at the bottom. I think I broke it when I forced it open. It interlocks at the bottom somehow to create a bottom. And then it has little handles when you fold this down. And oh, actually, you fold the handles down and then you put this little part of the handle through that slot. That's what you do to keep it closed. So good for like a couple of chocolates or a little container of beads. You could put a couple of little mini notebooks in there if you want to use it for giving a junk journal, a little mini one. But I'll probably use some of it just for the polka dotted paper when I make my ATCs or something, or in collage. You have a peacock feather, which is really cool. I do have some more of these upstairs. I could do some peacock feather ATCs. And then a package of 6x6 origami paper. So this is all like geometric patterns, I think. I'll just do a quick flip for you. So all that sort of star, six-sided star shape. In a few different colors, 3 different colors it looks like. Those are cool. And then she saved me some of the liners from in her cigarette packages. So these are paper on the back and foil on the front. So I can use those in collages, clusters, or just decorating pages. I save candy wrappers. I don't smoke anymore. I did used to. And then one of the brands that she uses, Elite, you can just barely see it there, has the bright blue metallic paper. So that's cool too. Hopefully she'll keep saving me those. And then this little bag has a clear front. So probably a treat bag of some sort. And she even left the wax paper in it for me. She knows I'll use it. And then when we were away at St. Jacob's at the market, she noticed that I was buying hankies. So she's included a whole bunch of hankies. I don't know if these are some that she's been hoarding, saving at home, or if she's gone out and bought them since then, because we just went last week. Anyway, this one's napkins. They're rice paper napkins, 20 of them. Looks like she paid 95 cents or maybe less for them. But I really like the coloring on these, kind of a denim-y blue. And then I think the rest are all fabric ones. So she's got these at the Mission Thrift. So she might have paid less than this. We often shop there, and every day they have a different color, 2 different colors. One is 50% off and one is 70% off. So knowing my sister, she would have got these at least 50% off. So it's 75 cents for 3. And you can't leave them there for that if you have any idea of what you might do with them. I know that she might have been thinking of making a quilt with them. So she probably didn't buy them all at once. She probably has purchased these over time, would be my guess. So I love the roses, and the scalloped edge is awesome. Thank you so much, sister. And then the blue, she knows these are my favorite colors. And then there's another one with a different type of flower. It is possible that she bought them all at the same time, because quite often in there you see a lot of the same thing, where it's someone's donated their collection of whatever, craft supplies or linens. When they're doing a clean out or when someone passes away, quite often the family doesn't keep everything. I do have a tote box started for vintage linen, so I'm just going to take these out so I can show you, and then I will put them in my tote box. Those are pretty. I like the scalloped edges. And I had often thought that I would do a quilt or something like that with these too, but obviously she's thinking I will do something with them sooner than she will. So I guess that's almost a challenge to me. There's a different one, lilies. And then some blue flowers. That's the same one. And then some blue lilies. And then some pinks. I don't know exactly what kind of flowers those would be, but they're awfully pretty. Another one the same. Someone at the thrift store really sorted them out nicely. And these ones are more lilies. 3 of those. And then some white ones with lace. I love things like this. So that one just has a very tiny lace edging. And it's that really fine stitches, sewing it on. Beautiful sheerness to it. And then this one is cotton. Very fine. You can see my fingers through it. And then the edging is scalloped and almost a crocheted look, but looks like it's manufactured lace of some sort. There's a little tear in that one, but I can work around that. Nice fine fabric. Now this one has that stitching that leaves little holes. I love that. I don't know what it's called. If you know, comment below. And then I'm not sure. Oh, I guess these are flowers. And just a hanky. Be interesting to know if that was done by hand or by machine. Wouldn't surprise me to learn that it was done by hand, but it's so perfect. Every little stitch is exactly the same distance apart. Nice little border with a design in it. Just beautiful. So thank you, sis and niece, Kimberly. I really enjoy those, even just owning them for a while. Hopefully I'll do something with them. And I'll get them put away. I have one more haul video to do, and then I got to a bunch of swap stuff to get ready, including the beads and some artist trading cards. So thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, but most of all, have a great day.